Hello and welcome everybody. LCID stock on 27 November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe, like. Let's start. Here we can see that LCID now is going to have such things that is not going to be bad. So according to what we want to in LCID, this is going to be referring for us that LCID, one of the stocks that will remain good, and the 0-1 Fibonacci strategy has been done on 1 week update. So if we return it to 1 day update, it's going to be very different. And this seems that LCID on 1 day update is still not bad. So, however, LCID will not be bad next time if we went for 1 week update. That's what I can expect actually. If the LCID will increase and has population with a great investment and great profits that would happen next time. Hope you benefit from this video.